Hello everyone. Today's session name is a control flow statements. So flow statements in Java to allow the control flow of your program's execution. They include conditional statements like if, else, switch, and looping statements like for loop, while loop, do while loop. Here are some common control flow statements with example. So first is a if else statement. So here if else statements are used for the make decision based on the condition. So here uh, int x is a variable that values are 10 if x is greater than 5 means 10 is greater than 5. If that condition are true, then executed if block, otherwise executed the else block. Next switch statement used to select one of many code block to be executed. Means here multiple if else statements are used do not use the when we use switch statements. So here int day is equals to 3 and switch day parameter are passed. So in day variable value is 3. So in switch block day 3 are not available means no matched case. So here in that case print the default statement means unknown day. Next for loop. For loop are used for the iterations means अ, एक ही थिंग बार बार इटरेशन करना है एक ही थिंग का बार बार इटरेशन करना है इसलिए हम लूप फॉर लूप यूज करते हैं सो हियर फॉर इंट आई इज इक्वल्स टू 0 आई इज लेस देन 5 आई प्लस प्लस एंड ब्लॉक ऑफ द फॉर लूप so working of for loop is first initialization, next check condition and then execute if condition are true. Execute the means print the statements of the loop body and fourth step are incremented. So next is a while loop used for repetitively execute the block of code along the conditions is a true. So here count is a variable that is value 0 while count is less than 3 is condition and if condition are true then while block is executed and last one is incremented. So next do while loop. In do while loop first print the statements and after that condition will be checked. So do uh, print the statements and incremented and after that when exit that loop conditions are the checked. So in while loop we also called entry control loop and do while loop also called exit control loop. Next is a break statement. So break statements are used for the exit on the loop. So there is a for loop and here condition I is equal to 3. When its if condition are true, then break means exit the loop when I is 3 and print that. So next is a continue statement used to the skip current iteration for the loop and continue with the next iteration. So in continuous statement here I is equals to 2. When 2 is equals to 2 there are condition true then execute if block there are continue means 2 is skip iteration and then after that print 0 1 3 4 and 5. Next is a return statement used to exit the method and optionally return a value. For example, int a int b and return a plus b means here result addition of a plus b are returned. These control flow statements help you implement decision making and looping logic in your Java programs, making your code more flexible, powerful. Depending condition of for loop, your code is executed of the different paths and making it dynamic, responsive and different scenarios. So open Eclipse here we created a new Java project. In that create a class that is named if else. In that main method we create a one variable that name is number and stored value of 15. So first we use if statement. In that if statement we write the number percent 2 is equal to 0, means that condition are true, then uh, if block is executed, otherwise else block is executed. So here we see number is a 15. 15% 2 is equal to 0. So remainder is a 1. That condition is a false. So our else block is a executed. So see, run that program. So here 15 is a odd number, means if condition are a false. So here we write true condition, here 1, and again run this file. So here if block is executed. So next is a switch case. So in switch case we declare one variable day, that is 3 value are stored. When switch case pass to the day variable, that is 3 value, and here we display case 3 print statement, and after that break means 4, 5, 6, 7 cases are not executed, means here break of the switch body or switch block. So run this program. So here Wednesday is printed. So if we here a day in value 2, then run this program. After that Tuesday is executed. So next is a loop statement. So here we created for loop, while loop and do while loop. So in for loop we used a initialization, that is start our loop for 0. I is less than 5 means stop here our loop. When condition is false, then stop our loop. So here next while loop, use while loop 0 to 3 print, and next do while loop. Do while loop first print that statement, after check the condition. So run this program. So here in for loop 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, means after 5, so 5 is a and false condition, so not print the 5. So here while loop 0, 1, 2, 3 is a not print, and do while iterations are here decremented the value, so 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next continue statement. So here in main method we declare a for loop, and here we if statements are also uses. In if statements number is percent 2 is equal to 0. If its condition are true, then executed if block means continue statements are executed. Then skip this iteration and next iterations are will be continued. Next, so here print this code. So here done 3 means after two number are skip the iteration, means number 1 is greater than equal to 10. After that condition are true in body. 1 is percent 2 is equal to 0. This is a false condition. So print the 1. Next incremented 1 plus 1 2. Next check condition 2 is less than equal to 10. After 2% 2 is equal to 0. That condition is true when continuous statement is executed, means 2 is not printed. That is a skip iterations, and after that incremented. So here 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So next is a return statement. So here we create a method add numbers, and here add methods we add the two numbers a plus b and return that result, that is some variable. Next in main method we create a result variable. In result variable, we call the add number function that passes two parameters 10 and 20, and after that in main function we print that result, means return the result of print.